What if your house, your office, and even your luxury yacht could all fit on wheels? Today, we're stepping inside a motorhome that costs more than most supercars combined. The $1.5 million Brabus 1200. And trust me, you've never seen an RV like this before. This is the Brabus 1200 motorhome, built on a Mercedes Actros chassis and completely transformed by Brabus into what can only be described as a stealth mansion on wheels. In this video, we'll explore its aggressive carbon fiber exterior, its jaw-dropping interior, the smart features hidden everywhere, and finally, what it would actually feel like to live inside this $1.5 million beast.
From the outside, the Brabus 1200 doesn't just look like a motorhome, it looks like something out of a futuristic movie. At 12 meters long and 4 meters high, its presence is massive. The body is draped in signature Brabus black, with carbon fiber fenders, a redesigned grille, and an illuminated Brabus B logo glowing at the front. Even the door handles and mirror cameras are finished in carbon, giving it that unmistakable Brabus DNA. And thanks to 4 massive slide-outs, the living space inside expands to over 30 square meters, the size of many apartments. But wait until you see how they use that space on the inside.
Step inside, and it feels less like a motorhome and more like a 5-star penthouse. Plush carpeted stairs lead up into a living room with skylights, indirect mood lighting, and full-sized couches. The kitchen is pure luxury. Induction cooktop, inbuilt extractor, Fisher & Paykel dishwasher, oven, and even a tap that delivers boiling, cold, or sparkling water at the push of a button. Storage is everywhere, from hidden magnetic glass holders burrowed from yacht design to clever drawers and carbon fiber inlays that scream premium. And yes, if you need extra sleeping space, there's even a hidden drop-down bed above the cockpit. But here's where it gets really impressive: the master suite.
The Brabus 1200 doesn't just have a bedroom, it has a full master suite. With no garage taking up space below, the bedroom expands massively with those slide-outs. Think padded walls, panoramic windows, integrated lighting, and even a full working desk that slides out when you need to trade, work, or just watch Netflix on the road. The ensuite bathroom, it's bigger than some city apartments. A walk-in rain shower, luxury fittings, skylight ventilation, huge mirrors, and heated air circulation. Storage everywhere, from behind the mirrors to under the sink, all finished with Brabus-style carbon touches. Would you ever expect this much comfort in a motorhome?
This isn't just about looks. The Brabus 1200 is wired with smart tech everywhere. A full control system lets you manage slide-outs, lighting moods, power, solar charging, and even water levels at the touch of a panel. It comes with lithium batteries charged by solar panels, a diesel generator, and yes, Starlink internet. Meaning you can literally live off-grid as a digital nomad while staying fully connected. And if you're worried about cleaning, built-in vacuum compressor. One plug and you can clean the entire home.
Imagine this. You're parked by the beach, skylights open, cooking in your fully equipped kitchen, then relaxing in a living room bigger than most apartments. Later, you retreat to a hotel-style bedroom, and the next day, you wake up and decide Italy, France, or maybe completely off-grid. That's the lifestyle the Brabus 1200 offers. A stealth black mansion on wheels that feels more like a yacht than an RV. Of course, it comes at a price, around 1.5 million euros, or roughly $1.5 million. But for those who can afford it, it's not just a motorhome, it's freedom wrapped in luxury.
So that was the full tour of the Brabus 1200 motorhome, the $1.5 million house on wheels. Would you actually live in one of these, or is it just too over the top? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe, because in our next video, we're taking you behind the scenes of Brabus itself to see how these machines are born. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos like this.